So welcome back to the second season of the Maharashtra Premier League. We are all in readiness to start the first match of the second edition of the Maharashtra Premier League. और आज का पहला टॉस अपडेट यह है कि केदार जाधव जो कैप्टन है पीबीजी कोल्हापुर टस्कर्स के टॉस जीतकर पहले गेंदबाजी करने का उनका फैसला। रत्नागिरी जेट्स आजिम काजी कैप्टन, निखिल नाइक, धीरज फतंगरे, अभिषेक पवार, दिव्यांग हिंगणेकर, सत्यजीत बचाव, विजय पावले, प्रदीप दाढ़े, कृष शाहपुरकर, प्रीतम पाटिल और निकित धुमाल।
पीबीजी ग्रुप कोल्हापुर टस्कर, केदार जाधव उनके कप्तान हैं, तो सचिन दास, उसके बाद सिद्धार्थ मात्रे, श्रीकांत मुंडे, योगेश डोंगरे, अंकित पौरवल, तरणजीत टिल्लौन, यश खलाटकर, मनोज यादव, श्रेयस चौहान, नेहाल तुस्मा,
धीरज फतंगरे राइट हैंडेड बैटर स्ट्राइक पर, कृष नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पर होंगे। पहले बॉल के लिए हम तैयार, निहाल तुसामन। So let's begin day one, first match, season 2 of the Maharashtra Premier League. First ball coming up. Down the leg side, and the first runs on the board for the defending champions Ratnagiri Jets in the form of a leg bye.
ये हवा में गेंद, बेहतरीन अटेम्प्ट था, पॉइंट पर एक मौका बना था, बाल बच गए। ये बढ़िया शुरुआत यहां पर धीरज की।
Hits over the infield, the mid-on fielder chasing that, but I think the ball will definitely win the race. The second boundary of this over. Once again, nicely connected, and that's a maximum. Outside edge and taken. Very nicely held by the captain Kedar Jadhav. Nihal Tusamad gets the breakthrough for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers.
Krish back to the pavilion for 2, 19 for 1.
Preetham Patil is the new batter. Short ball in the air, a field and a deep square will not be able to reach. Once again, a short ball hit in front of square. This is incredible batting. Nicely hit. Oh, that's brilliantly connected. Once again, Preetham Patil with his favorite shot. This time over the infield, 2 back-to-back sixes.
Fearless batting once again. Just looking to capitalize the power play.
Lovely shot again. This time over the long on.
Preetham hits it and it goes one bounce. 4 runs to end the power play.
Inside out, great bit of timing and placement.
There was a quick finish and this over ends with a wicket. Oh yes, there was 1-1-1, dot balls, and Yash Khalatkar comes in his first over. Gets the dangerous Dheeraj. He scored 42, Ratnagiri Jets a 75 for 2.
Yeah, Nikhil and Miri played for the same club. Another wicket! Another wicket! And this time it's Preetham, who was growing great guns. So 2 very important wickets.
Preetham Patil straight to the field at long off. He has to walk back for 31. Ratnagiri Jets are 77 for 3.
There was that opportunity. It was in the air, but also in the gap. That's in the gap. Powerfully struck through the gap.
Nicely swept, fine. The fielder will not be able to stop that. This is really smart batting from Azim Kazi. A loud appeal, but it looked like straying down the leg side. A chance for a run out. Yes, that's a direct hit. Oh, that's wonderful wicket keeping. Aniket Porwal, the wicket keeper.
104 पर 4, दिव्यांग हिंगणेकर 9 पर पैविलियन में।
Abhishek Pawar is the new batter.
बड़ा शॉट यहां पर मिड विकेट की दिशा में, चौका आ सकता है। जो डॉट बॉल के बाद यह चौका आया अजीम के बल्ले से।
फिर एक बार आउटसाइड एज, कोशिश अच्छी थी पर नसीब का साथ, वहां पर आजम काजी को चौका मिलेगा।
Oh, he's gone for it. That was a short delivery. Dispatched away for a big hit.
Should for the Ratnagiri Jets. Does he found the fielder? Yes, he has. What a fabulous catch by Sachin. Running to his right, Sachin Das. We have heard this name before in the Under-19 World Cup as well. The danger man Azim Kazi back in the dugout.
Azim Kazi gone for 46 of 38 deliveries. 145 for 5.
Nitin Naik. Up in the air, fielder taken, no, it's out. Looked like for a second that he had held on to it, but there goes a chance. Oh, that's huge. That's what Nitin Naik is known for.
No. He's given a no ball.
Where's this one going? Oh, that before. Will do. Has he connected? Has he connected? Yes, just. And that just is enough. 6 runs. Hasn't connected. He's taken the run. He's sprinted, looking for the second. No chance. Oh, there goes the chance, and he'll get it. Desperately wanted to be on strike, but he's taken the third as well. Is he coming back for the fourth? Yes, he is. Oh, there'll be 4 runs for Naik. He's ran 4 runs. What a sight. Straight up. 2 fielders. And again, that goes down. And Naik, who wants strike, he's taken strike. We are run out at the non-striker's end. 2 chances, both to get Naik out. But Naik stays not out. Abhishek has to go back.
Towards the extra cover. 1 and the second run also gets completed.
Oh yes, Nikhil Chopra. He said 172 and 172 exactly it is. 173 is now the target for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers.
There you have it. The experienced campaigner, Kedar Yadav, impact player straight away being utilised. That's what the umpire is signalling.
So Ankit Bhavne, the impact player for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers.
Chipped in the air, deep square leg coming underneath, and wicket off the second delivery for Devyang, and a big wicket. The skipper walking back towards the pavilion.
Kedar Jadhav has to walk back without opening his account. 0 for 1 are PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Sachin Das, he's a promising player. Oh, what a lovely shot that is. Class and elegance written all over it. Leg side की गेंद और बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी.
Take a look at that. Short arm jab, but unable to clear the field there.
What a catch. अच्छी बैटिंग कर रहे थे पर सचिन दास 11 पर आउट. 14 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर.
Shrikant Munde, the new man in.
Devyang continuing his spell. Nicely done. A good punch. Well timed. A fielder at deep point. Dives full stretch. But the ball will win the race. Oh, यहाँ पर जोरदार अपील और आउट. ये एक बेहतरीन शुरुआत है रत्नागिरी जेट्स के लिए. गेंद अंदर आई और यही करते हैं प्रदीप दाड़े, जो मिश्रण है उनके पास.
Ankit Bhavne walks back to the pavilion after getting 4. 25 for 3, the Kolhapur Tuskers.
ओ, इसमें अतिरिक्त उछाल और ये कैच. प्रदीप दाढ़े गेंदबाजी भी कर रहे हैं, फील्डिंग भी कर रहे हैं. उनको गेम से बाहर रखना बहुत ही मुश्किल.
Shrikant Munde getting out for 10. 28 for 4 at the moment, the Kolhapur Tuskers, and in a spot about the.
Again, straight to the fielder, but it goes straight through him, and that'll be a boundary. Making room, but a similar result, maybe, yes. Oh, no, he slips again.
Some shots like that will give you confidence and the momentum that you're looking for.
Oh, off stump के बाहर आहे, थोड़ी जगह बनाई.
Top edge once again. Unfortunately, commentators curse, and it's a great comeback there by Kunal. Getting it for a boundary, a 6, and then getting his man.
Siddharth Matre out for 15, 67 for 5. Oh, that's another chance. The ball has gone high up in the air. Oh, catch dropped. Otherwise, the fielding today of Ratnagiri Jets has been really top class. But a catch there goes down.
कहते हैं प्रसन्न, गलती से हो गई mistake. There you go. Picks up another wicket, keeping things simple within the stumps. Aniket has to depart after getting those valuable 33 runs.
The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers are 86 for 6. New batter is Taranjit Dhillon.
Oh, what a shot that was. आजिम काजी ने बेहतरीन तरीके से किया इस बार लेग स्टंप के ऊपर एक गेंद कलाइयों के सारे फाइन लेग बाउंड्री के पार खेल दिया है एक और बाउंड्री. They tried to play big shots, they kept losing wickets. This one is a big one. Nicely played.
यहाँ पर हवा में गेंद मौका बन सकता है. ओहो कमाल का कैच. ये गेंद स्लो डाली थी पर क्या कैच पकड़ा है. जबरदस्त.
Dongre gone for 24. Caught Krish, bowled Satyajit. 107 for 7.
In comes Yash Khaladkar. Goes for it on the first ball as he connected. Field under it. And should be an easy catch. And it has become an easy catch. Satyajit Bachao, 2 out of 2 on a hat-trick now.
107 for 8 now.
Can we see a hat-trick on day 1 of the second season of the Maharashtra Premier League? Nicely played. Sensibly played by Yadav.
Even though they've dropped a couple of catches. That one. Oh, well taken. Well taken. But the umpires are still going to have a look. I'm sure they're going to go to the TV umpire to have a look whether the fielders touched the rope or not.
Outstanding catch. The awareness is so important near the boundary rope, and he made it look so easy. बहुत ही बेहतरीन catch.
In comes Shreyas Chavan.
और ये विकेट. हम तो बात करें ऋषभ पंत की, यहाँ पर ऑल आउट हो गए कोल्हापुर टस्कर.
That's it. Game, set, match for the champions of the first season of the Maharashtra Premier League. Ratnagiri Jets have won this match by 54 runs.